Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice water for hair step by step. Start by rinsing 1 cup of rice, then soak it in 2 cups of water for 30 minutes and strain. Use the cloudy water as a rinse or dilute with equal parts fresh water before applying to scalp. Massage gently and let sit 10 minutes. Rinse hair with cool water and use once or twice weekly for best results. Rice water can feel like a simple home remedy, but it has real benefits when used properly. The inositol and amino acids help strengthen strands, add shine, and reduce breakage during combing. Apply it to clean hair, leave for about 10 minutes, then rinse well to avoid buildup. Start with once weekly and increase to twice weekly based on how your hair responds and your styling routine. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It changed how I think about money and habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, you might enjoy a relaxing read between hair treatments. Thanks for sticking around. Now let's get back to the video. Treat rice water like a regular conditioner with a few practical tweaks for best results. After shampooing, pour or spray diluted rice water evenly from roots to ends and gently massage the scalp for 1 to 2 minutes. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow nutrients to absorb, then rinse thoroughly with cool water. Use once or twice weekly and adjust frequency if your hair feels dry or heavy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.